Okay, so talking about Module 3, Lesson 11, it's the absolute value. So today we talked about absolute value is the distance a number is from 0. So right here we have our number line, we have -3 and we have 3. Now I didn't do these very equally, but you get the idea. It's 1, 2, 3 units away from 0 and 3 units away from 0. It doesn't matter that, yes, it's to the left of 0 or it's to the right of 0. The value is 3. It doesn't matter if we're talking about negatives or positives. It's no matter what. The value of whatever the number is, it's 3 spots away from 0. So then down here, this is our absolute value symbol. It's 2 vertical parallel lines, and we put our number in between. So if we have 2, the absolute value of 2 is 2. If we have the absolute value of -4, it's 4. It's 4 spots away from 0 on the number line. Now, if we're talking about different units of measure, such as if we have $50 deposited and $50 withdrawn from a bank account, the magnitude is, it's $50. So we are talking about, no matter what we're doing with the number, we are doing something with $50. Some might be putting it into the account, and others we're taking out of the account, just as an example. So if we're looking at the homework for this lesson, for example, we are determining which has the greater magnitude, so we're using the absolute value to defend our answers. So again, magnitude is, it's right here, is the measurement of a measurement is the absolute value of its measure. So the absolute value of our measure here is 33 and 52. So it doesn't matter that one's a negative, we're dealing with $52. So the absolute value of 33, I drew that small, sorry, and the absolute value of 52 is 52, and the absolute value of 33 is 33. Which one has the greater magnitude? 52 does a bigger number to our account. So if we're getting rid of 52, that impacts us more than getting the $33. And same here with these, you need to find the absolute value before you find the magnitude. Then for these examples, you're explaining true or false. The absolute value of a negative number will always be positive. Think about what we just said and what's true here and why they might be true. Sorry, this looks like a 4, but it really is a 2. Use that common sense. It's 52 here, so why would I write 54 there? Don't worry about 8 and 9. I don't want you writing the word problems on your own. I'm not looking for that specifically. And we're looking at which has the greatest impact on the account balance. So that's basically what magnitude is. I think that's a good way to look at it. So the greatest impact is what the magnitude means. Or you might be looking for what has the lowest impact, and that's also. That's important to keep in mind when we're looking at the magnitude of the measurement. So we're just looking at, okay, what is the number doing, or what are the numbers that we're dealing with, whether it's a positive or a negative to us. So that's what you look at here. Withdrawal, we've gone over these words, so make sure you're paying attention to whether or not it's a positive or a negative, but does it really matter actually in these it doesn't, because you're looking at the greatest impact on the account, which again is magnitude. You're using the absolute value that we talked about up here. So what has the biggest absolute value? What will impact you the most? And that should get you through the homework for tonight.